This lesson. Gaining a basic understanding of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. You can do everything that banks currently do for you in the secure online world. Cryptocurrencies offer a high degree of privacy and anonymity, as transactions are recorded on a public ledger but not linked to personal information. Cryptocurrencies allow for fast and efficient cross-border transactions without the need for intermediaries. Cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized and distributed ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. It isn't really important to understand that technology to use it. We will be providing more details in optional videos if you really want to know. Cryptocurrencies allow for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for banks and corporations. The transactions are verified by network nodes and recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain that is independent of those banks and corporations. To invest or save in cryptocurrencies, you start by opening an account on a crypto exchange. They operate like the currency exchanges you find in foreign airports where you change your nation currency for the new nation currency. The most reliable exchange right now is Coinbase, where your dollars are insured by the FDIC. After exchanging your money for cryptocurrency, it's important to store it in a secure digital hardware wallet. This is where you'll hold your digital assets and manage your transactions. The most trusted wallets are made by Ledger, and we will have follow-on videos showing how easy they are to operate. You will want to track price movements. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, so it's important to track the price movements and make informed investment decisions. Reminder: cryptocurrency is a relatively new and unregulated industry, and the legal and regulatory landscape is still evolving. Despite their growing popularity, cryptocurrencies are still not widely accepted as a form of payment and may have limited real-world use.